Good morning, viewers. This is me. I came back from my trip after 10 days, only to know that my work truck is dead. It's been drained out. I don't know what make it do it, but it's giving no response. See, I'll show you. So I'm trying to turn it on. No, nothing. It's totally dead. So now I'm trying to jump it, give it a boost from my car. I didn't have the jumper cables with me, so I just took the grounding out of my truck. We use this as a grounding for our installations. So I have two wires here, and I have parked my car really close to my work truck. So that's the black end, and I guess that should be the red one. So I'll try to connect red to red, black to black, and see how it goes. Maybe I'll find someone to help me, or I don't think so. It's going to be a hard task. Few things I'm keeping in mind. I should keep my car running for this whole process. Not do this when your car is off. So yeah, let's see. So I have connected my cables. It's not a good connection, but I'm just praying that it works. So I'm wearing these leather gloves just in case. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, looks like a few things are working in my truck. Let's try to start it. Woo, yeah. See all the lights. One more time. I don't know, what do I have to do? Put it in park. My car is running. I don't know what's happening. Everything's good. Let's wait for some time. I don't know what drained out the battery. I have to figure out what happened. Turn off the AC. Okay, I might have turned on the AC. And what else do I have to? Okay. Click, click, click. So another attempt. I thought the battery might be really dead. So let's try to turn it on again. Turn off the air fans. Okay. So that was the problem. Battery was almost dead, almost drained out. So right now my truck is working. Straightforward. Once again, my car saved me. I just got my car done. I just got the detailing done inside. Yeah, everything's working. Truck is working now. I'm just gonna carefully remove the grounding cables and let my car go, and I'll go to my work. See you, boys.